Hello everyone, in this video I will share how to activate double tap on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 and Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Don't forget to click like in this video and click subscribe in this channel. First, open your settings menu. Okay, next you open always on display and lock screen. Okay, next on double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked, you click enable. Okay, next I back. Okay guys, double tap cannot be used on home screen. You can use double tap on the lock screen like this. Yaps. Okay guys, so many tutorials from me. I hope this tutorial is useful. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you.